How to set full profile picture on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to set full profile picture on WhatsApp. So without any much ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to open a gallery and choose the picture that you want to set as full profile picture on WhatsApp. Now tap on edit icon at bottom of the screen and select crop and rotate. Here you can easily crop and select the crop icon at top right or bottom right corner of the screen. Now you have to choose this picture as 1:1 ratio and tap on tick mark at bottom right corner of the screen and tap the save icon. Once you do that, you need to exit from here and open WhatsApp. Now select three dots at top right corner and choose settings option. Now tap on profile icon at top left corner of the screen and simply choose that particular picture which you have set to 1:1 ratio. Now we can see that when you set your picture to 1:1 ratio, we can successfully set full profile picture on WhatsApp. Tap the dawn icon at bottom right corner and your full profile picture on WhatsApp will be uploaded. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.